Coveya has worked with many different companies across the plastic recycling industry, and one of our latest projects was with Wessex Recycling. We'd previously worked with Wessex Recycling, supplying an EK1200 5.26 meters, but after a free on-site visit from one of our conveyor experts, a new problem was identified. Wessex Recycling needed to take the shredded rigid plastics from underneath the shredder and transfer it onto another conveyor. After surveying the site and getting the dimensions, the team got to work and supplied an EK900 4.66 meters. This particular conveyor was an X higher in order to save on cost on the project. Our team of installers came and fitted the EK900 to help save on downtime, labour costs and boost the workflow of the Wessex Recycling site. Discover how we at Coveya can help your site by booking a free on-site consultation. Thank you.